Hi girly pops. Hi girly pops. I just got to the Don hair in 4 ways and I'm about to get an installation, a Fairytopia installation. She is releasing her new raw hair. It's color, it's blonde, so I purchased the sample from her and now we're going to be doing the installation so that she can shoot content and, you know, start selling the units. So yeah, that is literally all we're doing today. I don't have any other plans. I know I need to do my nails as well, but I will keep you guys updated on my day and bring you guys along with me. This is the first time I'm installing at the Don, and I've always wanted to come here because her work is chef's kiss, and I just love that I'm installing a color because she also specializes in color. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just also waiting for Deba. She's on her way and we're gonna get started with my installation. I am 10 minutes early, but let me get in so that they can see that I'm here. Whatever needs to be prepped can be prepped and we can get started. So see you inside, girly pops. I just got this camera, so like I'm not, yeah. Say hi, girly pops.
Hey, girly pops. The return.
The return. Shots. What are you gonna call this?
I have no idea. And there's gonna be a lighter one, so it's gonna be this.
Can you make it? I can make it lighter if I would want to, right? It's just like a little bit because it's raw.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you tried? Have you done a strand test? It's nice, nah? When are your other ones arriving?
I did. I cut somewhere in there, somewhere.
And it goes lighter, nah?
It did.
Okay. This is
So I don't know which
beautiful.
one I'm gonna go for. Either this one or the lighter one.
I'm gonna definitely get a lighter. Maybe I shouldn't dye this one. I should get the lighter one as well.
You think so?
Yeah. How much lighter is it?
A
Like-
little lighter.
Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna do that for like versatility.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And then
This camera looks so good. I literally got it last week. We were at Ethos and I was recording with my phone and it kept on falling and falling. And he's like, it's the same day. He took
It's
me
time
to the
for
camera
you,
and he's like, it's time. I can see you're dedicated. Just get you a camera.
Nice.
Sent in the same day.
I want to take Chris's camera. I can just take pictures with it. And hair content.
Exactly.
It would eat with a camera, ne?
Yeah.
But I'll need you to help me with the settings.
It literally it came like this.
It came like this.
Sets itself.
You
Like,
lie.
it sets itself to the lighting, everything. If I go outside, it's gonna set itself again
Wow.
to adjust its own lighting and everything, even the photos.
That's dope.
The energy is insane. But wow, I love it. It's fun. It's so fun. And he's so loving. I don't know if it's because of the environment he's in, because you can see how affectionate we are, like generally.
Yeah.
But like he
That's
comes
also
up to you and he's like, hi, and he blows kisses. He goes, mwah. So I love
I feel like
that.
having a boy first is also perfect.
Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like being a boy mom is so cool.
Were you always a glueless girl, or did it come with mom territory?
Honestly, I've always been. I just don't
Same.
like discomfort. Like I can't like
She doesn't even
na-
sleep with her wig on.
No, same.
I told her I
I
can't.
take my wig off.
I
every
cannot do
single
it.
night.
I cannot do it. I've never been that girl.
Guys.
Every
Mom,
single night, I'm a glueless
mom
babe.
life made it even worse.
Yep.
'Cause-
Like you're lucky if you even see me in one.
Exactly. And I'm like, how do these girls do it? Because like you have these moms that are like always like
No, I don't
like
get it.
lace installed, lashes done, Like even these lashes are clusters. I put them on every single day.
Every day.
Every day.
But they look so bomb. Oh my gosh. Where do you get them from?
Shein.
Oh, I love them.
And they like already set out cat eye. Like so from the
wow.
so you just put them on according to how you
And you never found any problems with the glue?
Never. Like my eyes don't react, nothing. And I literally it takes me 10 minutes.
They come with the glue.
I use hair glue personally.
Oh,
That black,
okay.
you know that black, you know,
Evan.
is that what it's called? That black one that like gets sticky after. See, they use it usually for like quick weaves and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like grayish black.
Yes.
Oh, this.
Yes.
Oh, hectic. No ways. Okay.
It does not burn. It doesn't like literally like my eyes don't have an issue with it.
Really?
It's so easy because once you dip the lash and you
Girl,
stick
my
it,
nail.
it sticks.
So please, any of them, please.
I saw you did Thames. How was that?
That was good.
Was she like singing through it? I'm joking.
No, she actually even play her own music. No artist I work with plays their own music. They actually hate hearing
they
themselves.
hate hearing themselves.
Yes.
Girl, I hope I'm doing it right.
Yeah, you are. I can see it on the mirror.
Girly pop.
The ultimate girly pop.
When did you start YouTube?
Fave.
Oh wow! Oh, this year.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
I've always wanted to do it. I've just always been scared. I don't know of what. But I just took the leap of faith. You know what?
And you enjoying yourself?
Oh my god.
I know. Literally were.
I love it so bad.
Girl, I'm big on social media, so I haven't seen any of your content, but from your personality, I can tell you're perfect for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I never want to come across as those vloggers that lack depth. You know? Just shut up. So I'm glad that I have a little personality, you know?
You know, with all those things though, I think it takes time for your personality to like disappear or blend into the stereotypes.
Right?
Yeah.
I hope I never, ever.
And you've been so consistent with it. Like,
I'm
I don't think it's that easy, hey?
It's content.
It can't be. It can't be.
Starts. She was a fairy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she was a fairy.
Have you used that for?
I haven't seen it.
I think I'm gonna abuse it, hey?
I'm gonna use it for this. For this.
Literally.
I'm gonna use it.
I love that sound.
Yeah, what's called psychology?
Hmm.
I love her.
Psychology. I love her. That's why I say your work and your vibe is super nice. Even the way you like take content.
Yeah, she's definitely an inspo.
Yeah, she's amazing. Can I tell you how long I've wanted to install here? I just don't know. It felt like some secret society.
Why?
I was like, where do I even start? And then I was like, you know what, let me take time out and see like where I can book, how to book and whatever.
Yeah.
I was like, oh,
Girl,
this
you've
is
been
simple.
But
Because I know
that
even the
booking
TikTok
system, it
comments, like people
Yeah,
are
where do I
like, how do
book?
I book?
And I'm
Where do
just
I? I'm
like,
like, guys, you can't read. Just take some time and read.
that's why I really promise you, if you go to the right places, you'll find what you're
Find
looking
what you're
for.
looking for. And it was so simple. I was so shocked. When I was done, I was like, oh.
But in your defense though, it hasn't always been that simple. So if you tried at a certain point in life,
There was a point I tried, but it was on WhatsApp, I believe.
yeah.
Yeah.
And if a man can tell you that they did you in so badly, you know, you just know that it's
Yes,
girl. Like he was like, "Do you want me to book you in a
That's
I think it's called a pink label to glue.
And back up.
The
The glamour glue as well.
Yeah.
Really. But the thing is, right, what annoyed me about that appointment is I got there at 11, my appointment was at 11, I got there on time, but somehow I only got my hair installed at 2.
Oh no!
And she put some hair in my place and she was like, I just wait me to quickly do this, I won't be long. I was there.
Are you dumb?
This color is made for you.
yeah. It's so long.
April. What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell, Beyonce?
Wow.
Beyonce?
Is that you? Wow. Oh my goodness.
I don't think I've ever been more obsessed with my hair. I genuinely, I'm not even capping. Like, what?
Yeah. I can't wait to come for mine.
Is everybody seeing what I'm seeing? Beyonce! What?
I'm obsessed. I am hella obsessed. I'm waiting for this mirror.
What?
I know.
Oh my god, I feel so beautiful.
Good. Ah.
Oh, wow.
Please keep it in. Please.
I also feel like
just to take it off. You know, like please.
I'm gonna take it off so I can put it on the mannequin and it can remain like this until I need to properly, because I'm going home now. I'm actually not gonna shoot anything.
Unreal.
Unreal.
In a couple of weeks.
Yes, girl. Beyonce? Is that you?
So we are done installing. Come into the vlog. Let's see. Let's do this.
Oh, nice. We
We are done, and this is the
All done and
founder.
dusted.
This is the reason, the fairy, the ultimate fairy.
This is the fairy and the fairy godmother.
Exactly. So we're done, and guys, this hair.
We're obsessed.
Unbelievable.
Like,
I don't know if you guys can
we
see
are-
it on camera, but
we are
like,
obsessed.
No ways.
I don't
It's
think you get it.
unreal.
But just wait for the launch.
Yeah.
All the girls
will
must eat.
link the page so that you guys can wait, and you need to do a whole countdown so people
the
can set
launch.
a reminder on your Instagram.
Right. I should do that.
Yeah, but this is your
Thing
first.
is, I don't
this
even
is your
know
first,
when exactly it's gonna be launched. Because remember, I told you that I
you
wanted to
did
have
say.
the winter sale first.
Yeah, but you need to do. Oh yes, I was gonna say. So this is your first raw hair that you're selling. So this is her first raw.
So this is big.
This
We're
is
going
big. And also, I feel like is it your first time selling blonde? But you sold blonde when you launched,
Oh,
but
yeah,
it wasn't raw.
No, it wasn't giving.
It wasn't
I think I
this.
only sold like 1 unit.
But look at you now.
Look at this. Yeah, the girlies
People-
are gonna go crazy.
People
I
just
know.
walk. There's fairies just walking into the salon out of nowhere.
I was shook. We're busy
That's when you
taking
know you're
Mangi's
doing
content,
well.
and someone walks in with a Fairytopia
Box.
box. I'm like,
Girl,
what are the odds?
and you want to be a silent
What are-
secret CEO.
Girl, I'm shy. Like,
This was fun. I am obsessed. I feel like I'm Beyonce, and
you literally are.
yeah. But don't forget that this hair is $2 million. So save up.
Yeah, this one's 2 billion.
So girly pops, I'm gonna leave soon and go home. Hopefully you can get plans to do something tonight. Sounds so cute. So yeah.